business process re-engineering, BPR, business process re-engineering. Okay. Now see, business process re-engineering means examination and redesign of business process. Examination and redesign of business process to achieve the dramatic improvement in its performance, productivity and quality. Means क्या करना है सी to achieve the improvement, okay, then performance for the performance improvement, for the productivity improvement, for the quality improvement, we have to do business process re-engineering. Business process re-engineering means examination. We have to examine the service. We have to examine the processes. Means we have to look out what the different processes are there in business. So examination of business process and redesign of business process. After examining it, we will think about how we can redesign the service to improve the performance, productivity and quality of the service. ये main thing है. Definition you should know. What is BPR? Okay, examination and redesign of business process. Why we are examining and redesigning the business process? Re मतलब feed से करना. Again we are designing. Okay, re means again we are designing. So BPR क्या है? Examination and re. Again we are designing the business process. So BPR is the examination and redesigning of business process to achieve the improvement. इसीलिए करेंगे ना. Why we will do the? Why we will focus? Why we will examine the business process? Okay, examine भी कर रहे हैं, and then we are redesigning it also to improve the performance, right? To improve the productivity and to improve the quality. Now see, steps in BPR, business process re-engineering. These are the steps. Define objectives and framework. Identify customer needs. The customer needs we have to identify. Study the existing process. And formulate a redesign plan. Formulate करने के बाद implement the redesign plan. Formulate के बाद implement the redesign plan. Okay. So define objectives and framework. First activity क्या है? First process is defining of objectives and framework. Okay. First of all, the objectives जो है of re-engineering. Objective क्या of re-engineering must be defined in quantitative and qualitative terms. Okay. जो objective है हमारी re-engineering का. Okay. तो first we have to define it. Quantitative and qualitative. Qualitative में quality आ जाएगा. How we can improve the quality of the process. Okay. Then customers expectations. Qualitative. Quantitative means what resources are required. Resources, budget. Okay. Then infrastructure, people. ये सब का quantitative that we can measure. Okay. Quantitative that we can measure. You have to focus on both quantitative, the resources, budget, quantitative, and quality. Quality means, like for example, quality of the product. Okay, customers' expectations. These are the qualitative terms. So while you are designing the objective of re-engineering, so you have to see, okay, what are the quantitative and what are the qualitative terms of focus. We have to redesign कर रहे सर्विस का. ये तो redesign करने के लिए एक objective. We have to set objective. Okay. So objective set करने के लिए we have to define both the quantitative and qualitative terms. Okay. Then see, the objectives are the end results that the management desires of the re-engineering. Main objective होना चाहिए. Objective should be fulfilled. जो objective हमने decide किया, the objective of re-engineering. Objective क्या है? It is a, you can say, end result. Objective एक end result. Objective is the output the management wants. Okay, after the re-engineering. After the re-engineering, management को क्या चाहिए? They want objective क्या है? Objective should be fulfilled. जो objective हमने decide किए, वो क्या होना चाहिए? It should be worked properly. Okay. So once we are defining the objective, the need for change should be well communicated to the employees. The objectives are defined. The objectives are defined. That means now we are aware of okay, why we are doing the, what is the need for changes. Okay, what is the need for doing change in the service. So once the objective are defined, the need for change जो है, the need why we are changing the service, it should be communicated with the employees, because the success जो है, success of the business process re-engineering, it depends on the employees to accept the change. यही है, the employees should accept the change. If the employees are not accepting it, what they will do? They will not follow the processes properly. Right? They will not use the technology. जो भी changes हुआ है, they will not follow it. Okay, success depends on the readiness of the employees to accept the change. Employees को change accept करना चाहिए. Okay. Now see, the objectives are defined. Business process re-engineering objectives are defined. Objectives are defined means now we are aware of why we are changing the service. What is the need for changing the service? Okay, ये पता चल गया. Then we have to see, we have to identify customer needs. We have to identify customer needs. Okay, so while redesigning the business process, the needs of the customer must be taken into prior consideration. किसका need? Customers का need, because we are redesigning the service. That means we have to focus on the need of the customer as well. Okay, need of the customer. Prior consideration में it is must. Okay, it is must. You can say must and compulsory. We have to look at the customer's need. Okay. Then the process should be redesigned in such a way that it clearly provides the added value to the customer. When design the structure in a way that we should provide value to the customer. We should provide a value to the customer. Means product should be reliable and effective to use. Good quality product ऐसे design करना है हम लोग को, ताकि वो एक it gives a value to the customer. Okay. So several parameters are there we have to keep into consideration. Several parameters. What are the parameters we have to keep into consideration? See, type of customer group. See, when you are identifying the customer needs, means customers are interested in which service. Okay, which features. So हम लोग क्या देखते हैं? Type of customer. Customers के type क्या हैं? Customer groups. See, types of customers means buying habits of customer. Let's take an example. Buying habits of customer. Okay, what they are preferring to buy, what they are searching. ये buying habits of customer. We have to focus on buying habits of customer. So if you are looking the website में हमारा कौन सा particular item ज़्यादा search out हुआ है, कौन सा buy हुआ है. So ये देखने के बाद we will come to know what is the type of customer and customer groups. Okay, then customers expected utilities in product and services. Customers expected utilities. Utilities means services which is provided to the customer. Services which is provided to the customer. We have to see what the customer, what type of service customer is expecting. What type of service customer is expecting. Okay. Then we have to see the customer's requirement, buying. Same thing is written in buying habits and consuming tendencies. Okay. What are the requirements? What buying habits are there in a month or in a week? Okay. What they are buying. Then what is the tendency? Means how frequently they are buying. In a month or in a week or in a year, how they are doing it. So all things we have to observe. Habits of customer. Okay. And customers' problem. What are the problems of customers and what are the expectations about the product or service? Okay. तो क्या करना है? Redesigning जब तुम redesign कर रहे हो, first तुमको objective पता होना चाहिए. Okay. Objective means need. What is the need for changing the service? Then you have to identify the customer needs. Okay. Customer needs कैसे identify करोगे? You are focusing on the customer's expectations, buying habits of the customer, problems, expectations of the customer. Okay. Then study the existing process. Customer needs we have identified. See, after identifying the customer needs, you have to study the existing process. You have to study the existing process. Okay. So before deciding on the changes to be made in the existing business process, one must analyze it carefully. क्या करना है? Existing process को हम लोग को study करना है thoroughly. Because now you are redesigning. means rework you are doing. So you have to study के existing process what are the discrepancies and what issues are there in the existing process. Study करना it is very important of the existing process because now you are redesigning, rework you are doing. Okay, you have to study the existing process, what things are there in the existing process, right? So before deciding on the changes to be made in the existing business process, one must analyze it carefully. So once you have decided that you have to do the changes in the existing process, or you can say you want to do re-engineering in the existing process, so you have to analyze it carefully. First, you have to analyze it carefully before implementing BPR, business process re-engineering. Okay, re-engineering कहाँ पे apply कर रहे हैं existing process में. तो existing process को you have to analyze it. Okay. The existing process provides a base for the new process because जो तुम re-engineering कर रहे हैं, it is based on the base process. Base means existing process. जो re-engineering rework कर it is based on the existing process होगी ना. Existing process में some problems are there, some issues, some errors are there. That's why you're doing the re-engineering. Okay. So when you're doing the re-engineering, जो new process जो generate होगा re-engineering में, it is based on the base process, this existing process, right? Now see, formulate a redesigned business plan. क्या करना है? Existing process we have analyzed. Okay. Now formulate a redesigned business plan. एक business plan ready करना है. Ready हो गया existing process को we have analyzed it. Okay. Now we have to formulate a plan, redesign business plan. So once the existing business process is studied thoroughly, the required changes are written down on a piece of paper and it is converted into ideal redesign process. Existing process we have analyzed it. Okay. Then after analyzing the existing process, we will come across what changes we have to do. Right? What changes we have to do. So changes we will write down somewhere. We will document the changes. We will write it somewhere. Okay. So after writing the changes, then we will convert that in a piece of paper we have written the changes. Then we have to convert into the process. Means now we have to implement it. Whatever we have documented in the paper. Okay. Now we have to convert it into process. Process में convert करना है ना. Okay. So all the changes are chopped down. We have documented all the changes. What things we have to do in the planning process, we have note down all the changes. Okay. Then implement. अभी note down हो गया, then you have to implement the redesign. Implementation is very important, right? Implementation of redesigning. Finally, the changes are implemented into the redesign plan to achieve the dramatic improvement. Now, means you have to start implementing it. The plan to be documented, the plan which you have documented. Okay, so accordingly, for example, you have documented and you have to use this technology and you have to add this particular feature. Okay, so that's why you did the re-engineering, right? So now you have to implement it. The planning is done. Okay, now the planning is done. Now you can think about the implementation. Implementation, if you're doing the implementation, you will achieve the dramatic improvement. Your performance improvement you will achieve. So it is a responsibility of both the management and the designer. Responsibility of both the management and designer to operationalize the new process and gain the support of all. Okay, किसका है responsibility? Both the management and the designer जो responsible for designing the service. Yeah, new process design करने के लिए. For designing the new process, it's a responsibility from both the side, management and the designer. Okay. So see, business process what is business process engineering? BPR क्या है? Examination and redesign of business process. Examination and redesign of business process. मोबाइल नंबर से वो इंडिविजुअल है और आपका वो वैलिडेशन आपकी उसके ग्रुप में हाथ लगा कर सकते हैं आज हम क्या उठा के आपको कर सकते हैं examination redesigning of business process to achieve improvement in performance, productivity and quality. Okay. Steps क्या है? Steps in business process re-engineering. Define objectives, customer needs identify, study the existing process, And after studying the existing process, design a plan, redesign plan, and implement it. Okay, is it clear, everyone? Can go through the steps. Steps in BPR. Okay. Now let's see. Business process reengineering we have covered. So clear, and any doubt in this business process reengineering? Everyone reply. We can see the next topic. Business process automation क्या है? BPA. We have to start BPA. Business process automation. Yes. Okay. See, BPA. अभी क्या we have covered BPR, business process reengineering. Now BPA, business process automation. Okay. So business process automation, BPA, is the use of software to automate repeatable multi-step business transactions. Use of software. BPA means use of software. Focus on this. BPA is the use of software to automate repeatable multi-step business transactions. Okay. Now see, in contrast to other types of automation, BPA solutions tends to be complex. BPM solutions complex है, connected to multiple enterprise IT system and tailored specifically to the needs of the organization. The BPA, you can say it is a digital transformation strategy because we are using software. BPA का digital transformation strategy है. Okay. Now see, business process automation. It is a use of software. Yeah, use of software to automate repeatable multi-step business transaction. That means see, अगर कोई वर्क मुझे ऑटोमेट वर्क करना है, लाइक ऑटोमेटिक होना चाहिए, लाइक ट्रांजेक्शन्स फास्ट होना चाहिए, ऐसे कोई स्टेप्स है जहाँ पे मल्टी स्टेप वर्क है, रिपीटेबल टास्क करना पड़ता है. Okay, like see, if you want to take multiple copies of document, what you are doing, you are giving the command in printer. Okay, multiple copies. So we want to take 50 copies. So giving the command in printer setting. Okay, so it's a type of automation only. So see, so it use of software means software use करके automate these repeatable steps which are repeatable and multi-step business transactions. Okay. Business process, everyone know what is business process? Business process set of activities है which is carried out in an organization. Set of activities or sub activities. We have seen the three categories of business process: operational
Yes, ma'am.
process, or you can say primary process, operational process or primary process.
Academic process.
A second one क्या था? Supporting process or secondary process. Supporting process or secondary process, and third one is management.
Manage.
Okay, so operational, supporting, and management. Now see, automation पे we have to focus. Okay, BPA, business process automation. See, automation software aims to prevent. यहाँ से देखते हैं. To understand the business process automation, let's start with the basic overview. A business process means a set of activities, set of any activities that helps to achieve a specific goal. Right now, business process के set of activities है to achieve a specific goal. Like any activity you can consider, any process. Like transaction is a process only. Transaction is a process only for doing the transaction, for the successful transaction. Some activities you have to follow. Okay. कोई भी प्रोसेस में क्या होता है? इन प्रोसेस several activities are there to achieve a specific goal. Several activities are mentioned in the process to achieve a specific goal. Okay. So in context of automation, it's usually a repeatable transaction that involves a series of steps. तो BPA जो है business process automation, series of क्या है? Repeatable transaction है. A series of steps है. Okay, with the help of computer system. Now see, take an example and you will get the clear idea. Common business processes include business processes के examples given here. Fulfilling a customer order, customer का order fulfill करना, then approving a loan application, processing an expense report, onboarding a new employee. ये कुछ process है. Okay, so when managed in ad hoc way, means without using the technology, without using the software, this process typically involve multiple email threads, document and handouts. See, if you are not following the business process or automation for these processes, ये process के लिए कौन सा process? For example, loan application, approving a loan application, fulfilling a customer order, okay, onboarding a new employee. ये सब के लिए अगर if you are not following the, क्या नहीं follow कर रहे हम लोग? Business, we are not using any software. Okay, ad hoc way में we are managing. Old traditional way में we are managing means multiple email हमारे पास ready हो जाएंगे एक employee को onboard करने के लिए या कोई loan application approve करने, documents several documents ready हो जाएंगे, handouts ready हो जाएंगे. So even a minor error, अगर कोई minor error होता है, it can set in motion. And any minor error it will lead to inefficiency. Okay, so what we can do, we can apply automation here. We can apply automation. Automation means we are using the software for all these, for customer order, for approving a loan application, for processing an expense report, and several other things. Okay, processes के लिए, business process के लिए we are using automation software. Okay, automation software से we can achieve the accuracy. We can achieve accuracy means correctness of the data and efficient system. Okay. So automation software aims to prevent these problems, right? So automating a business process can free time and resources. Time saving होगा. Okay, time saving होगा. And allowing employees to focus on core work rather than tedious work, repetitive work, and frustrating tasks. Tedious and repetitive work जो है वो reduced हो रहा है. Because employees now they are working with the technology, repetitive work are reduced, repetitive and tedious work are reduced, frustrating tasks are reduced because they are using the automation software, right? See, one example is given here. Automation के लिए there are many automation software, बहुत सारे automation software. Like you can say, like we are using master software for our college. We are using master software. So if the master software is properly implemented, means if the master software is working fine for the attendance part, for the examination part, and for the timetable part, and many other things for other committees, if the master software is working fine, and we can say that it is automation software. Okay, तो हमारे टास्क क्या होंगे? जो tedious task है reduce हो जाएगा, repetitive task reduce हो जाएगा. Okay, instead of taking attendance in paper and attendance sheet, what we are doing, You can directly mark in the software, right? Tasks जो है frustrating और repetitive tasks are reduced if you're using the automation software, right? So one example is given, like I've given the master software example. Okay, several software are there. For example, artificial intelligence software. Artificial intelligence that is used in the artificial intelligence used in the, for example, sensor like door में है, कैमरा है, ये सब क्या artificial intelligence यूज हुआ है. Artificial intelligence technology is used. Okay, then robots है, smart car हो गया, ये सब में artificial intelligence technology यूज हुआ है. Okay, so example automation software है artificial intelligence technology. Okay, so as see technology, now technology is improving. This technology, with the help of technology, what we can do, we can automate the process. We can automate this process. Automate the process means we can repetitive task जो है, okay, we can focus on the core part. The other tasks, studies and repetitive tasks are done in an easy manner. Okay.
यूजर एक तो यूजर भी से बात करेंगे. यूजर को सिर्फ इसका आईपी एड्रेस पता है, दैट इज 10.1.1.0. ये क्या करेगी, ये वन से क्या है.
Now see how BPA related to BPM. Business process automation. How business process automation is related to BPM, business process management. Okay, how BPA is related to business process management. See, what is business process management? Collaboration between business teams, IT teams. किसके बीच में collaboration होना चाहिए? Business process manage करने, to manage the business process. To manage the process, business process. क्या ये? What is BPM? It is a collaboration between business teams and IT teams के बीच में to model, analyze and optimize end-to-end business processes to help meet strategic goal. To meet strategic goal, okay, to meet strategic goal, क्या करना है हम लोग को? बिजनेस आईटी टीम्स का आपस में कोलैबोरेशन होना चाहिए. ये कोलैबोरेशन इसलिए मींस उनका कोऑर्डिनेशन होना चाहिए to analyze the process, to optimize the process. Okay, अगर if analyzing the process, then we can say that we can achieve the strategic goal. BPM is collaboration should be there between the business team and the IT team, okay, for the improvement of the process, for managing the process. So BPM क्या continuous process है that leads to improvement over time. BPM जो हमेशा हम लोगों को करना चाहिए. We can say BPM एक continuous process है because collaboration जो है between our business team and IT team वो क्या होना चाहिए? Stop नहीं होना चाहिए, right? A continuous process. It should go on. This we should not stop the collaboration between the business teams and IT teams. A continuous process है. Okay. Means every day-to-day activities we have to manage, we have to analyze it. ये सब करने के लिए collaboration होना चाहिए between the business team and IT teams. तो इससे क्या होगा? Continuous process. BPM एक continuous process है that will lead to the improvement. It is a continuous process that leads to the improvement over time. Okay. BPM focus on किस पे focus करता है? Business process management to deliver better product and services to customers. क्या deliver करना है? Better product and services to customers. To deliver better product and services to customer, you have to manage the business process, right? यही है ना? To eliminate ad hoc work from manual. Ad hoc जो tedious work है, documentation work है, that is the software. इसको eliminate करना, and we have to practice. क्या करना है हम लोग को? We have to focus on how we can deliver the better product and services to the customers. ये focus होता है BPM में. Okay, how we can deliver the better product and services to customers.
Malicious content, malicious.
So both BPM, business process management and business process automation. Business process management में क्या focus है? To deliver better product and services to customer. And BPM में use of software. और better product provide करने के लिए we have to use the software, we have to use the technology. तो BPM और BPM में आपस में relation है, right? Both BPM and BPR you can say are used to improve the process, improve the task. Both BPM and BPA attempt to improve the task. Okay, improve the task and processes that are repeated ongoing और predictable, मतलब ये टाइप के प्रोसेस भी हो सकते हैं, रिपीटेबल प्रोसेस हो सकता है, ongoing प्रोसेस हो सकता है, predictable प्रोसेस हो सकता है. तो मेन एजेंडा, मेन एम क्या है बीपीएम और बीपीए का? मेन एम ऑफ बीपीएम और बीपीए क्या है? द मेन अटेम्प्ट इज टू इम्प्रूव द टास्क, इम्प्रूव द परफॉर्मेंस, इम्प्रूव द प्रोसेस. दोनों का एजेंडा सेम है, बट यहाँ पे हम लोग देखते हैं हाउ वी कैन बीपीएम में वी आर लुकिंग एट हाउ वी कैन डिलीवर बेटर प्रोडक्ट, एंड बीपीएम में business process automation में use of technology services to provide the good quality services to the customer, right? So both BPA and BPM combination act as powerful tool. Okay, act as powerful tool for the designing, for delivering a good quality service to the customer. Okay. तो सी व्हेन अप्लाइड विद इन अ बीपीएम प्रैक्टिस, बीपीए अगर हम बीपीएम प्रैक्टिस करें, बीपीएम प्रैक्टिस करना मींस वी आर लुकिंग एट द व्यू ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, मैनेज करना है ना, बिजनेस प्रोसेस मैनेजमेंट, वी हैव टू मैनेज द प्रोसेस. So to manage the process, we have to look at the view of the organization, some strategy you have to follow, we have to plan out the things, right? So when you are applying BPM, तो BPA can be used to, BPA हम लोग यूज करेंगे कि business process automation we will use to continually monitor and improve the process. To continually monitor and improve the process. Okay, क्योंकि BPA क्या business process automation use of advanced technology. With use of advanced technology के help से we can monitor and improve the process. So both work together. BPM and DPA. BPM and DPA. Yes. Right. Okay. Yes. So now we will continue the next lecture. Less than 1 minute is remaining. Any doubt till here? BPA. Some example we will take. Some more example we will take of BPA next lecture. Any doubt, students? No.
Oh my.
Okay. Okay, then bye everyone.